Is NAS100 preparing for a massive breakout or a deadly trap? Watch this full analysis to find out exactly how the smart money is positioning right now. The NAS100 on the 1-hour timeframe is showing a textbook market structure shift. We have moved from a bearish phase into a clearly aggressive bullish trend, marked by multiple break of structure points and consistent higher highs. However, we are now entering a critical decision zone where the market could go either way. Currently, price is sitting inside a major supply zone between 25,800 and 26,000. Look at the price action closely. We see tight consolidation and a weak rejection, which suggests this is either a distribution phase or a temporary pause before more upside. While the trend remains strongly bullish, we are officially in a premium zone, meaning it is a risky area to hunt for new buys without a deep pullback. For the bullish scenario, we need a clean breakout above 26,000. If we get a break and retest of this level, our objectives are 26,200, 26,500, and eventually 26,800. For the bearish scenario, we are looking for a rejection and a lower timeframe BOS within this supply zone. If the sellers take control, expect a drop toward 25,400, the major demand at 24,800, and potentially the extreme base at 24,000. Remember that smart money often creates a fake breakout above the 26,000 level to trap breakout buyers before a sharp reversal. Do not chase the green candles at the top. Wait for the liquidity sweep or a confirmed retest. Aggressive traders can look for sells at supply with confirmation, but safe traders should wait for the market to reveal its hand. Stay patient and trade the reaction, not the prediction. Follow me for the next analysis coming very soon.